In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. So we're going to open our Robinhood app first, and from there we're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. From here we're going to click on the receive, and now we need to enter the crypto that we want to transfer. So go ahead and search for that, or just select it if it's already in here. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this with Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum from here, and now I will have my wallet address in here. So I'm going to click on copy to clipboard, and now I will open my Coinbase app to paste this in. Once you are in Coinbase, go ahead and access the home tab and click on transfer at the bottom right. Click on send crypto. And here you need to paste in the wallet address from Robinhood. So go ahead and do that. Once you have that done, click on this icon in here, select the asset that you're transferring. And in this tutorial that was Ethereum, so I'm going to select that. And here you need to select the network. And it's really important that you match the network on Robinhood and on Coinbase, because if you do not match the networks, your crypto might get lost. But for Ethereum, it's just a default one. So I'm going to select the default again. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer. I'm just going with €2 and I'm going to click on preview after that. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well. And for Robinhood, you need to click on exchange in here, search for Robinhood and then click on Robinhood crypto. If you're sending to yourself, go ahead and check this box, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence. And after, go ahead and click on continue. And here we'll see all of your transaction details. So make sure that everything is all right. And then click on send now if everything is okay. And as you can see, we have sent our crypto. So let's take a look at Robinhood if our crypto is already in our account. So I can see in my activity that the crypto is in my Robinhood account. So when I go to my home screen, then I will see that my balance is right now topped up. So this is how we send crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.